Good morning, students. Today we discuss about average speed. Okay. So before class already explained about what is the velocity, what is the displacement, what are the difference between distance and displacement, and what is the scalar, what is the vector. Today we discuss about average speed. What is the average speed? So what is the formula for average speed? Simply average speed is equal to simply the total distance covered by the object. Total distance covered by the object by total time taken by object. Total time taken by object. So what is the average speed? So average speed is simply the ratio between the total distance covered by the object and total time taken by object. Clear all of you? So now what are the units for average speed? So distance measured in for example kilometers, time measured in hours. So what are the units for average speed? Kilometer by hours. Okay. So now it is explained with one example. Okay. For example, the distance between Vizag and Hyderabad. For example, the distance between Vizag and Hyderabad is 720 kilometers. Okay. For example, a train starts from Visakhapatnam. Okay, the time is evening at 6 p.m. and it reaches to Hyderabad at morning 6 a.m. Okay, so the train starts at evening 6 p.m. from Visakhapatnam and it reaches to Hyderabad early morning 6 a.m. Okay, morning 6 a.m. Okay, now total distance is equal to 720 kilometers. So total distance covered by train is equal to 720 kilometers. Okay, but what is the time? What is the total time? Okay, taken by train. So evening 6 p.m. Okay, the train starts at evening 6 p.m. So 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m., 12 a.m. Okay, again 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. So how many hours? 12 hours. So total time is equal to how much? 12 hours. So total distance covered by train is equal to 720 kilometers and total time taken by train is equal to 12 hours. So what is the average speed? So average speed is equal to total distance covered by the object or train. So how many kilometers? 720 kilometers. And how many hours? 12 hours. Okay. So now 720 by 12, how many times? 60 times. So average speed is equal to how much? 60 kilometer per hour. So what is the average speed of the train is? Simply 60 kilometer per hour. So what is the meaning of 60 kilometer per hour? It means the train covers 60 kilometer per 1 hour. Okay, the train covers distance how much? 60 kilometer per 1 hour. Total time 12 hours. But 1 hour is equal to 60 kilometers. This is average speed. But every 1 hour, okay, it reaches 60 kilometers. Is it possible? No, because it is impossible. Okay, first 1 hour train covers 80 kilometers. Second 1 hour covers 40 kilometers. For example. And third hour covers 20 kilometers. But what is the average speed? 60 kilometer per hour. Clear all of you? So this is called average speed. So what is the formula for average speed? Average speed is equal to total distance covered by the object by total time taken by object. Clear all of you? Now we discuss about uniform motion. Now we discuss about uniform motion. So what is uniform motion? What is a uniform motion? So uniform motion means simply, okay, for example, time and distance. Okay, for example, time in hours, distance in kilometers. Okay. So first, for example, a car. Okay, here we find the motion of the car. The motion of the car. For example, initially 0 hours. Okay, the car don't cover the distance. That means here 0 kilometers. For example, first 1 hour. First 1 hour, the car covers, for example, 4 kilometers. Okay. Second 1 hour, the car covers again 4 kilometers, but the total distance is equal to 8 kilometers. Clear all of you, ma? First 1 hour, 4 kilometers. Second 1 hour again 4 kilometers. For before 4 kilometers plus 4 kilometers, total distance is equal to 8 kilometers. Okay. So after 3 hours, the car covers distance 12 kilometers. Okay. Again, after 4 kilometers, the car covers 16 kilometers. How many kilometers? 16 kilometers. Clear all of you, ma? So 0 hours, 0 distance. First 1 hour it covers 4 kilometers. After 2 hours, the car covers 8 kilometers. After 3 hours, the car covers 12 kilometers. After 4 hours, the car covers 16 kilometers. Clear all of you, ma? So what is the uniform motion? What is the uniform motion means? Okay, the object covers equal distances in equal time intervals. The object covers equal distances in equal time intervals. So what is the meaning? Okay, so simply average speed or average velocity is simply so the difference between two distances. So final distance and initial distance by final time minus initial time, d2 minus d1 and t2 minus t1. So first case here, first 1 hour. So first 1 hour means what is the difference between times? 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. First 1 hour. So in first 1 hour, what is the difference between distances? 4 minus 0. Second distance minus first distance. So second minus first. 4 minus 0. So what is the average speed? Simply here 4 km per hour. Clear all of you, ma? Now second time interval. Now take second time interval. So that is average speed again is equal to ma. So second time interval again 2 minus 1. Final minus initial. So 2 minus 1 hour. Okay, what is the difference between distances? 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 km per hour again. Clear? 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. By 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Again average speed is equal to 4 km per hour. Okay? Now again third interval. Again here third interval. Again time change. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 hour. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1 hour. And distance between okay, here 12 and 8. Again 12 minus 8. Again 4 minus 1 is equal to 4 km per hour. Clear? And fourth case here. Again 16 minus 12. Time intervals. 4 minus 3. Again 4 minus 1 is equal to 4 km per hour. So here equal distances covers in equal time intervals. So 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers, 4 kilometers. So 4 kilometers per 1 hour, 4 kilometers per 1 hour, 4 kilometers per 1 hour, 4 kilometers per 1 hour. So equal time intervals, it covers equal distances. Clear all of you? Uniform motion means equal distances covers equal distances in equal time intervals. Clear? It is called uniform motion. Okay, and this point is very important. So in uniform motion, the velocity of the object is constant. The velocity of the object is called constant. Here 4 km per hour, 4 km per hour, 4 km per hour, 4 km per hour. So in uniform motion, the average speed or velocity of the object is constant. Clear all of you?